Hello, my name is Ashley and this is Threads by Ashley. And by threads, I mean the ones that stick to you after you finish sewing, the ones that you find all around the house in places they shouldn't be, and the ones you trail all the way down the stairs after a sewing project. Those are the ones that really used to annoy my mum when I was little, living at home and sewing in my bedroom. Well, I've come a long way since then. I've been sewing for 50 years, yes, since I was 10. I've learned lots of tips, tricks and hacks for sewing, but I also love crocheting, so you'll see a little bit of crocheting on here. I aim to encourage you to cherish what you already own and find fulfilment in creating a handmade item that is truly unique and individual to you. This is my space for stitching joy, inspiring creativity and weaving stories one thread at a time. I hope you'll come and join me, so please do subscribe and we'll start our sewing adventures together.